Good morning, dear students. We are going to study today grammar. We will study here conjugation of verbs. So verbs, conjugation of verbs means different forms of verbs. That is called conjugation of verbs. Now let us see. I have written V for verb here. So V1, V2, V3, V1 plus ing. That is also called V4. Let us see. I have written here already examples. First one is asked. Okay. Then when this one is V1 means present form, V2 means past form, V3 means past participle, and V1 plus ing means present participle. Okay. Then asked. What is the V2 of asked? Only ed is added here. These are the examples. Only ed is added here. So asked, it became V2. Here again V3 remains same, adding ed. Asked, ed, only here added. Then asking, V1 plus ing. What is here? Ask. So asking. Okay. ing only added to the V1 form. Again second example is kill. Killed, ed added. V3 also killed. V1 plus ing also. V1 is kill plus ing. So killing. Okay. Then knock. Knocked, ed, only ed added. V3 also only ed added, means knocked, same, knocking. Okay, ing added here. Then fourth example I have taken drown. Drown means dubna. Drowned, ed added, so it became past tense, means V2. Then V3 again same, after adding ed, so drowned and drowning. Then fifth example I have taken attend. Attended, ed again added. Attended, again ed added, means V2, V3 are same here, and again attend is V1, again ing added, so attending. Now in this form again I have taken last letter is here Y. So when y is here, then y we have to drop, and instead of y we have to take I, and then we have to add ed while doing V2 or V3. Okay, let us see. Here is apply. What is the spelling of apply? APPLY. So y is the last letter here. When we are adding here apply. What is the spelling of apply? APPLY. Now y is here. Instead of y we cut here. We have taken, instead of y we have taken here I. We have to drop y. And instead of y we have taken I, then added ed. Okay dear students, understand? आपको समझा? इसमें हमने क्या किया? y को निकाल दिया, और y को निकालने के बाद उसके जगह हमने I को बिठाया और उसके बाद ed ऐड किया. ठीक है? Again it became V2. Then again V3 is also same. IED, applied. Here applying, but while adding ing to V1, what is the V1 here? Apply. Here we didn't drop y. यहाँ y नहीं निकाला हमने, ing निकाला. ठीक है? ing यहाँ ऐड किया है. V1 plus ing, applying. Did you understand students? While adding only IED means we have done V2 and V3. But when we add V1 plus ing at that time it remains same. Apply. Same apply APPLY, and then we added ing. Apply का spelling हमने V1 में V1 plus ing में same रखा और उसके बाद ing ऐड हुआ. Did you understand? Cry. CRY, cry. Cry means रोना. Cried. CR, then instead of y we have taken here I, then ed. हमने y निकाल दिया यहाँ और इसके जगह आया I. So IED. Again here add IED. CRIED. Cried. Again here cried. Same V3 is also cried. And here crying. Again while adding ing we have put here same spelling CRY and then added ing. So crying. Did you understand, students? Means when we are doing V2 and V3 by adding ed, before that we have to take I instead of y, and then we have to add ed. But when we are adding V1 plus ing means that one is called V4 also, present participle. At that time we will put same spelling here, वैसे का वैसे स्पेलिंग रखेंगे, उसके बाद ing करते हैं, यहाँ y को हम निकालते नहीं. ओके. देन हियर मैरी, MARRY, मैरी, शादी करना. सो मैरी. अगेन हियर while doing V2 married, again here instead of y we have taken IED, married. Again here V3 also married, and V1 ing at that time married, y remains same here, MARRY, marry, and then ing. Okay, marry. Again fourth one is study. You know everyone, study. Study, STUDY, study. Again when we have done here V2, at that time studied, instead of y we have taken here I, then added ed. Studied. V3 also studied, same IED we added. But again V1 plus ing at that time studying, STUDY, study remains, spelling remains same, and then we added ing. Then reply. Reply means जवाब देना. Reply, REPLY, reply. Again here y is not here, then REPL, and then instead of y we taken here IED, replied. Again here replied, same. Then replying means in V4 there is y, so after that we added ing, replying. Again here carry, carried. Again we drop here y, IED added, here also IED added, carried, but here y remains same, carry and then ing, so carry. Here try again and again, try, TRY, try. TR, instead of y we have taken here IED, tried. Then here also same, tried, and here remain TRY, trying. Now again third part of the how to change these verbs forms. Okay, now here is see, in these examples E is there. जैसे लास्ट में आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, ई यहाँ भी है, डांस में, एक्साइट में भी ई है, इनवाइट में भी ई है, लास्ट लेटर, लव में भी ई है. ठीक है, तो ऑलरेडी हियर इज ई, सो व्हाट इज द V2 ऑफ, ओनली वी एडेड डी हियर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ई इज देयर, सो डांस्ड. Then here V3 also danced, only D is added. But when we are making V4, at that time E is we have to drop, means अब हमें यहाँ E निकालना है. क्या निकालना है? Instead of E we are writing here ing. Okay, so dancing. Okay, don't make mistakes here. Excite, again E is here, so excited, only D added, it became V2. Then here again V3, excited, then V1 plus ing, exciting. E is not there. Okay, यहाँ E नहीं रखा हमने, उसके बाद ing ऐड किया, exciting. In these examples also invite, then invited, only D added. Here is also invited, V3, inviting. Again he को निकाल दिया हमने यहाँ, inviting. Okay, then ing added. Here again love, here only D added, so it became V2, loved. Then V3 again left, only D added because already E is there, and here E को निकाल दिया. Okay, we dropped E here and then added ing, loving. Let us move towards irregular form. These verbs you have to learn. Okay, now see here, again here is tell, then told, and telling. Only V1, tell is there, then ing is added. Take, took, taken, taking. Tear, T-O-R-E, tower, T-O-R-N, toem. And here tearing means here is no rule, only you have to learn. आपको ये learn करना है, ठीक है? Think, thought, thinking. Only ing added to first V1. Then again teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach. Past tense is V2 is taught, V3 also taught, and V1 plus ing, so teach plus ing, teaching. Then here bring means lana, bring, brought, V2 is brought, V3 is brought, and V1 plus ing, so bring plus ing, bringing. Then sent, instead of D, here T coming, sent, V2 sent, V3 also sent, and V1 plus ing, so what is the V1 here? S-E-N-D, so send plus ing, sending. Let us move towards such type of verbs. Now see here, here is B-E-G, beg. E is written in yellow. Okay, so that is vowel. How many vowels are there in English? You know, A, E, I, O, and U. These are vowels. When last second letter means लास्ट का पहला लेटर जब वावेल है होता है तब क्या होता है, उसको ईडी ऐड करते समय या आईएनजी ऐड करते समय लास्ट लेटर डबल हो जाता है. ओके, व्हेन लास्ट सेकंड लेटर इज वावेल एट दैट टाइम व्हाइल एडिंग सफिक्स ईडी और सफिक्स आईएनजी, सफिक्स मीन्स प्रत्यय, वो ऐड करते समय लास्ट लेटर डबल होते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी हियर B-E-G, बेग, बेग मीन्स भीख मांगना. सो जी के पहले क्या आया हुआ है यहाँ? ई. सो जब इसको ईडी ऐड होता है तो ये लास्ट लेटर जो जी है वो डबल हुआ है, B-E-G-G-E-D, बैट. Again V3 is same, B-E-G-G-E-D, bet. Again ing, before adding ing, G become double, means last letter become double. So B-E-G-G-I-N-G, begging. So this rule you have to remember. Then again here spelling is B-E-G-I-N. So last letter is here N, and before that I is again vowel, so begin. But here again irregular form, as like this one, so it become began, V2 became began. Again here V3 become begun, B-E-G-U-N, begun. But again V1 plus ing, begin, so B-E-G-I-N, but last letter become double, beginning, before adding ing. So beginning, again last letter is N there, so it become double, double N ing. Did you understand, dear students? Then third example I have given again, travel. Everyone know travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, last letter is here L, and before that E is there. So E is again vowel, so travel. Again like this example, before adding ed, that last letter become double here, so traveled. Okay, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled. Again V3 same, traveled. Okay, double L, it become double N. Then again V1 plus ing. What is the spelling of travel? T-R-A-V-E-L. But before adding again ing, last letter become double. Okay, traveling. Now fourth example I have given here, win. Okay, W-I-N. Before N, I came. I is again vowel. So W-I-N, win. W-O-N, own. Okay, W-O-N, one. Again W-I-N-N-I-N-G, winning. Okay, winning. So again last letter become double here, winning. Then fifth example, S-I-T, sit. Again last letter is here T. Before that I came. So sit. Again irregular form, sit, sat, sat. Again sitting, last letter become double while adding ing, sitting. ठीक है? Did you understand dear students? Again S-P-I-N, spin. Spin means घूमना. Fan is spinning. Spin, span. V2 is span. Again irregular form as like these verbs. Then V3 is spun. S-P-U-N. Then again spinning, last letter become double. What is the spelling of spin? S-P-I-N. Last letter is N. So it become last letter double here. Last का letter double हुआ है. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G, spinning. Okay. Then seventh one, G-E-T. Again what is the last letter here? T. And before that last second letter is E. E is again vowel. So get. Again irregular form. So got. Got. But while adding ing, okay, G-E-T, there is vowel. Before last letter there is E. So again it became double. Getting. Again here S-W-I-M, swim. Everyone know swim. Then swam. Again here is letter M, before that I is there, swim. So I is again vowel. Then irregular form, swam. V2 swam. You have to learn this. V3 is swum. S-W-U-M. But again while adding ing, last letter is here M. In V1 last letter is M and before that is vowel. So again it became doubled. So S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. Now let us see other examples of these verbs. In that examples we saw that before last letter there were only single vowel. Okay, so we were doing last letter doubled before adding ing or ed. Now let us see here. But in this form there are double vowel before last letter. See, E-A-T, before T there is double vowel, E-A. In here H-E-A-R, before last letter E is also there and A, double vowel. In keep also there double vowel. Before P, double E is there, keep. W-double-E-P, again before P there is double E. In fill, F-double-E-L, before last letter double E. Again vowel. Then here R-E-A-D, before D last letter E-A, double vowels are there. S-H-double-O-T, before T there is double O and O is also vowel. Now let us see, in this form when we are adding ed or ing at that time, last letter never doubled. जब पहले दो वॉवेल्स रहते हैं लास्ट लेटर के पहले तो लास्ट लेटर डबल नहीं होता. ठीक है? Did you understand students? Now let us see. E-A-T, eat, it means खाना, you know. Ate, A-T-E, irregular form means you have to learn this one. Then eaten and eating. Last letter become double? No, only single. It remains single. So eating, only we have to add ing as it is in V1. Okay. Then H-E-A-R here. Here is heard. V2 is heard. V3 again heard. Again irregular form. V1 plus ing. So again V1 is here. Here is no changes before adding ing. It remain, V1 remains same. Here, then ing, hearing. Then keep. Again, when last letter is P and before that double E is there, then double vowel is there. So keep. But again you have to learn it. Kept, kept, keeping. Again here not double. Okay, last letter not became double. So keeping. Okay. Then here whip. Again before P last letter is P. Then उसके पहले है डबल ई, whip. Whip you have to learn what, wept, weeping. Whip means again rona, weeping. Okay, it remains same, V1 plus ing, no changes. Okay, feel, F double E L, feel. Before L again double E. Then felt, felt, feeling, no changes. Okay, we added only ing to V1. Feel, feeling. Again here read, R-E-A-D, you know, read. Read, but when we are doing V2 same, but pronunciation we are doing read. Here read, spelling same, read. Again V3 is read, and here reading, no changes, only added ing to V1. Okay, shoot, S-H-O-O-T, again double O is here, shoot, past tense is short, V3 is also short. You have to learn these forms. And V1 plus ing, what is the V1? Shoot, S-H-O-O-T, and then ing added shooting. So here is not big double any last letter. Okay, so you have to remember this. When double vowel is there, okay, it will not, last letter will not become double. But when before last letter there is single vowel, then last letter become double. Now in some forms, see, remain same in all, V1 form, V2 form and V3. So many examples are there. See, P-U-T, put, but before last letter there is U, and U is vowel, so put is here. But it remains same in V2, put, V3 also put, but when we are adding ing, again that rule we have to use, because there is vowel, last second letter is vowel, so it became double when we are adding ing, but it remain in same V1, V2 and V3. Put, 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 only putting is there, double T. Okay, here is double T we added. Then cost, 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 in V1, V2, V3 cost remains same, and while adding ing, costing. Okay, while adding. Then cut, 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 cutting. Okay, let us see again other examples here. When last letter is W or Y, but before that there is vowel, at that time rule is not applied there. Which rule? This one, this last letter will be double. See here, borrow, B-O-R-R-O-W, borrow means udhar lena. Okay, W is here, last letter, then while adding borrowed, not doubled, last letter not double. That one is exception. When last letter is W in V1 and last letter is Y. समझ में आए बच्चों? यहाँ last letter W है या Y है, लेकिन उसके पहले जो vowel है तो last letter double नहीं होता. बस ये रूल ध्यान में रखना है आपको, ठीक है? Borrow, so borrowed, only ed added there. Again here borrowed, again ing added to V1 but W not doubled. Again here obey, O-B-E-Y, last letter, last second letter is vowel is, and last letter is Y. So why not become doubled? So obeyed, okay, only added ed, obeyed, obeying, okay, no changes there. Then pray, P-R-A-Y, again last second letter A, means Y is preceding vowel, so A is there, so pray, prayed, no changes, prayed and praying, ing added there, praying. Again say, S-A-Y, last letter Y, so before that A came there, means A is vowel, but again still no changes there. Say, said, you have to learn it, said, said. Saying, S-A-Y-N-G, saying, while adding ing, Y didn't become double. In this way we see that you have to learn all these rules. These are the exceptional case, because W, when last letter is W and when last letter is Y and before that vowel is there, that rule is not applying here to do double before adding any suffix ed or ing. Did you understand, dear students? Okay, thank you, bye bye.